Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a practice set which are based on HCF, highest common factor. Okay, from the chapter multiple and factor. Already we discussed such a type of example. Now we discuss example. First example from the practice set. Find the HCF of the following using the prime factorization method. Means we have to use the prime factorization method to solve such a type of example. First example, 20 and 24. We have to find out the HCF of 20 and 24. For that purpose, I'm drawing like this. Now write the number. Now observe this number. This number which is divisible by which prime number, first we have to find out. And everyone know that this 20 is divisible by prime number 2. If we divide this 20 by 2, we get 10. 2 means 2 tens are 20. Quotient is 10. Now we have to find out this 10 is divisible by which prime number. And again this 10 is divisible by 2. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5. Then find out this 5 is divisible by which prime number. First prime number is 2, which is not divisible by 2. Now check second prime number. Second prime number is 3. This is not divisible by 4, is not prime number. Then find out 5. Then next 5. 5 divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. Then write down like this. Now next number we have to factorize. First draw like this. I'm writing the 24. Now first prime number is 2 and 24 is divisible by 2. Everyone know that. How? Because unit place number is 4 and everyone know that the test of 2, if the number at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number is divisible by 2. Then 24 is divisible by 2. If 24 divided by 2, answer is 12. Everyone know that. This 12 is divisible by which prime number? 2 again. 2 6s are. Then this 6 is again divisible by 2. 2 3s are. And 3 divisible by which prime number? Divide the 3. 3 itself. 3 ones are. Now write down this. Now write the factors. 20 is equal to 20 can be represented as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. I am writing like this. And 24 represented like this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Like this we are representing. Now find out the common factor in both of these two, 20 and 24, and make a circle around them. These two. Now there is no common factor between these two. After that, now this 2 and 2 is the common factor. Take a common factor and multiply them together. Means take a common factor one time. This common factor I am writing here, and this, and multiply together. I am multiplying them. 2 2s are 4. Then we can conclude that HCF of 20 and 24 is 4. I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving toward the next part. Find out the HCF of 36 and 48. Like same procedure follow for this example also. Write the 36, and everyone know that 36 is divisible by first prime number 2. If 2 divided by 36, we get the 80. Now this 80 is divisible by 2. If the 80 is divided by 2, then answer is 9. This 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. I am writing 3. And this 3 divided by 3, we get 1. I hope you understand. I am writing here to better to understand. Just 36. Now this 36 divided by 2, first prime number. 36 divided by 2, answer is 18. Then now divide this 18 divided by 2, we get 9. And 9 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9. Then this 3 is divisible by which prime number? 3. 3 ones are 3. Like that we have to solve the 48. I am writing the 48 here. Same number. This number is divisible by 2. 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 4s are 8. Then again this 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are. Then again this divisible by 12 is divisible by 2, 2 6, then this 6 divided by which number? 2, 2 3s are 6, and this 3 divided by 3, 3 ones are. Then we have to represent that 36 and 48. 36 can be represented as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3 by 3, and 48 represented as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now just find out the common factor between 36 and make a circle around them. This number are common, and this 3 and last 3 are common. Now take a common factor and multiply them together. Means we have to take a take a common factor and multiply them together. This 2, then multiplied by this 2 and multiplied by this 3. Now 2 2s are 4 and multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12. Then we can say that HCF of 36 and 48 is equal to 12. Okay, refer the page number 49 from the textbook and solve the practice set. I hope you understand this part. If you are getting problem, doubt regarding this part, just call me back. Have a nice day.